Financial independence isn't just about math, it's about momentum, and momentum is built through automation. Welcome back to Wealth Tactics, your faceless HQ for building freedom through systems. Today I'm installing your Fire Tech Stack, a tactical suite of apps, workflows, and routines that build wealth while you sleep. So hit that subscribe. This is where friction ends and scaling begins. Here's a tactical truth. Manual wealth, burnout. Automated wealth, autonomy. Most creators, investors, and income builders hit these problems, forgetting to invest, budgeting inconsistently, managing too many spreadsheets, and losing energy to decision fatigue. Your solution? Automate the boring. Optimize the important. Automation clears your calendar and fuels your compounding. Here's your Fire Investing Automation Playbook. First, auto-invest via brokerage. Pick your platform. Fidelity, Schwab, M1 Finance, Vanguard, or Betterment. Set weekly or monthly contributions to your favorite index funds. Rebalance quarterly, either auto or manual. Next drip, dividend reinvestment plans. Turn every dividend into a compounding machine. Platforms like Robinhood, Schwab, or Merrill Edge make this a set-it-and-forget-it move. And don't forget portfolio tracker tools. Portfolio Performance, Empower, or Notion dashboards keep your net worth on autopilot. Link your accounts once, get auto updates, and just set a calendar alert for monthly reviews. Still tracking expenses manually? Not anymore. Your cash flow stack starts here. Tiller Money syncs Google Sheets with your bank. Monarch Money's clean UX is perfect for teams or families. YNABs for budgeting purists, and Simplify by Quicken sends transaction alerts and helps set goals. Automate the categorization, schedule monthly review emails, and use visualizers for savings goals. Use your bank's autopay for bills, credit cards, insurance, utilities, and rent. Set quarterly reminders to audit, and create your master dashboard in Notion or Sheets. Track income, expenses, and trends. Tactical Fire is about proactive systems, not reactive scrambling. Now onto your ops layer, workflow tools that support your weekly rhythm. Google Calendar helps block time for income, investing, and planning. Motion or Sunsama use AI to organize your productivity. Notion's dashboard stack your weekly goals and habits. Zapier and Make automate tasks, trigger reminders, and move files. Todoist plus Notion tracks your next tactical action. Even Redwise pulls quotes from Firebooks straight into your Notion summary. Automation saves energy, energy fuels better strategy. Protecting your wealth is just as important as building it. Set a calendar reminder for annual insurance audits. Store policy docs in Google Drive and Notion. Use 1Password or Bitwarden to manage passwords and set up legacy access. Auto-update your net worth snapshot quarterly and share it with a trusted advisor. Wealth isn't just about growing, it's about preserving too. Here's your mission, tactician. Pick one investing tool, one budgeting platform, one calendar or task system. Start now and let automation do the compounding. Subscribe for more tactical systems. Your journey to financial independence just leveled up.